Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad FARISAFWAN bin Hussein, semester 2 of Masters in Aviation Management. My topic will be spare parts supply chains disruption in aircraft maintenance operation. So, um, have you ever wondered what happened when critical aircraft part is delayed? Airline loses millions, passenger get stranded, and maintenance crews scramble for solutions. Today, let's talk about spare parts supply chains disruption impact on aircraft maintenance operation, and more importantly, the financial damage they cause. Aircraft maintenance relies on smooth supply chains to ensure parts are available when needed. But what happens when that supply chains break down? So, firstly, causes of spare parts disruption. Disruption can be caused by several factors. Factor 1, global supply chain issues such as COVID-19, trade restrictions, or natural disaster can halt production. Factors number 2, logistic and transportation delays. If a part is stuck in customs or delayed in transit, the aircraft stays grounded. Factor 3, limited supplier availability. Some components like engine parts are produced by few specialized manufacturers. A delay from them means a long wait for the airlines and MROs. And guess what? Time is money in aviation. So for number 2, financial impact of spare parts delay. When parts are unavailable on time, costs skyrocket. Let's break it down. Firstly, aircraft on ground, AOG. In short, a single grounded aircraft can cost up to $150,000 per day in lost revenue. That is in US dollars. Secondly, emergency shipping fees. Airlines pay premium price to expedite deliveries, sometimes 5 to 10 times the normal shipping cost. Thirdly, inventory costs. Keeping extra spares in stock to avoid delays increase warehousing costs and ties up capital. Fourth, customer compensation. Flight cancellation or long delays lead to passengers refund, accommodation costs, and brand reputation damage. In short, every minute of delay is burning cash. So point number 3 is solution to mitigate disruption. So how do airlines and MRO tackle this issue? Firstly, predictive analytics. Using AI to forecast part demands reduce last minute shortages. So second, supplier diversification. Partnering with multiple vendors to reduce dependency on single source. Third, blockchains and digital tracking, ensuring real-time visibility in the supply chains for better planning. By investing in smarter logistics and technologies, airline can save millions. So for conclusion, spare parts supply chains disruptions are more than just inconvenience. They are a financial nightmares. Every grounded aircraft means lost revenues, higher costs, and unhappy passengers. By improving supply chains management, airlines can keep their operation running smoothly and protect their bottom lines. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts and safe travels. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.